Welcome to the Still Point Minute. Grounding in the moment. The weight of the breath. Close your eyes and turn your awareness to your breath. Feel the gentle rise of your chest, the fullness of each inhale, the release of each exhale. Notice a subtle weight, the way breath has presence, the way it steadies you. Each inhale reminds you that you belong in this very moment. Each exhale clears away what pulls you from now. For 60 seconds, let breath be your anchor, returning, restoring, reminding you of presence.